For small business owners and freelancers, time is often their most valuable asset. Every minute spent on administrative tasks like bookkeeping is a minute not spent on serving clients, developing new products, or growing the business. This is why the promise of time-saving software in the accounting realm is so alluring. Among the various cloud-based accounting solutions available, Kashoo often emerges as an option, particularly for those seeking simplicity. So, the question is, from an accounting software expert's perspective, is Kashoo truly time-saving software? The answer is a qualified yes. Kashoo can be a significant time saver, especially for microbusinesses and freelancers with relatively straightforward accounting needs. Its design philosophy emphasizes ease of use and automation of core accounting tasks, directly aiming to reduce the manual effort typically associated with bookkeeping. However, like any tool, its time-saving potential is maximized when it aligns with the user's specific requirements and scale of operations. Let's delve into the features and principles that make Kashoo a contender for saving valuable time. Designed for simplicity and ease of use. One of Kashoo's most frequently highlighted attributes is its user-friendly interface. It's built with the non-accountant in mind, focusing on intuitive navigation and clear visual dashboards. Clean dashboard. Upon logging in, users are presented with a clear overview of their financial health, including income, expenses, and cash flow. This immediate visibility saves time that would otherwise be spent digging through reports or spreadsheets to get a quick financial pulse. Simplified data entry. Kashoo aims to make recording transactions as painless as possible. Its forms are often straightforward, reducing the complexity and potential for errors that can plague more feature-rich, and thus sometimes overwhelming accounting systems. This simplicity translates directly into less time spent on data input and correction. Automation of core accounting processes. The real power of time-saving in accounting software lies in automation. Kashoo incorporates several automated features designed to cut down on repetitive manual tasks. Bank feeds and auto-categorization. This is perhaps the biggest time saver for any modern accounting software. Kashoo allows you to connect your business bank accounts and credit cards directly. Transactions are automatically imported, and Kashoo's Smart Inbox uses machine learning to suggest categories based on past entries. Over time, as it learns your habits, this auto-categorization becomes increasingly accurate, drastically reducing the manual effort of sorting income and expenses. This is a game-changer for daily bookkeeping. Automated reconciliation. Once transactions are imported and categorized, Kashoo facilitates bank reconciliation. While some manual review is always wise, the system helps match imported transactions to your recorded entries, speeding up the process of ensuring your books match your bank statements. Smart invoicing and payment tracking. Creating and sending professional invoices is quick and easy. Kashoo also tracks the status of your invoices in real time. When a client pays through an integrated payment gateway, like Kashoo Payments, powered by Stripe, the payment is automatically recorded and matched to the invoice. It can also send automated payment reminders, saving you the time and awkwardness of manually chasing overdue payments. Recurring transactions. For recurring income or expenses, e.g., monthly retainers, rent payments, Kashoo allows you to set up recurring invoices or expense entries. Once configured, these are generated automatically, eliminating repetitive manual creation. Receipt capture. The mobile app allows you to snap photos of receipts, which can then be attached directly to expense entries. This digital capture eliminates the need for physical receipt hoarding and manual data entry, making expense tracking much more efficient and audit-ready. Streamlined reporting for decision-making. Time is also saved when you can quickly get the financial insights you need. Kashoo provides essential financial reports, such as income statement, profit and loss. See your revenue and expenses over a period. Balance sheet. A snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Cash flow statement. Understand the movement of cash in and out of your business. Accounts receivable and payable. Keep track of who owes you money and who you owe. Sales tax reports. Simplify tax calculations and compliance. These reports can often be generated with a few clicks, saving hours that would otherwise be spent compiling data in spreadsheets. For tax season, The ability to generate accurate reports quickly is a huge time saver and can reduce your accountant's bill as well. Cloud-based accessibility. Being a cloud-based software, Kashoo allows you to access your financial data anytime, anywhere, from any device with an internet connection. This means work on the go, enter expenses from your phone after a business lunch, or send an invoice from a client's office. This flexibility prevents tasks from piling up, which ultimately saves time by allowing you to handle them immediately. Collaborate easily. If you work with a bookkeeper or accountant, they can be granted secure access to your Kashoo account, eliminating the need to physically transfer files or exchange numerous emails. This streamlined collaboration saves time for both parties. Limitations to consider. While Kashoo is great for saving time for its target audience, it's important to note its limitations, as these can affect its time-saving potential for more complex businesses. No time tracking. Kashoo does not have built-in time tracking features, which would be a significant time saver for service-based businesses that bill by the hour. You'd need a separate tool for this. Limited inventory management. For businesses with complex inventory needs, Kashoo's capabilities might be too basic, requiring manual tracking or a separate system, which could negate time savings. Fewer integrations. Compared to larger players like QuickBooks or Xero, Kashoo may have fewer direct integrations with other business applications, e.g., specific POS systems, advanced CRM. This could mean more manual data transfer between systems. The verdict. Ultimately, yes, Kashoo is designed to be a time-saving accounting software, and it largely succeeds in that mission for its intended user base. Small businesses and freelancers who prioritize simplicity and automation of core financial tasks. By automating bank feeds, simplifying invoicing, facilitating online payments, and providing quick access to essential reports, Kashoo significantly reduces the manual effort and time typically associated with bookkeeping. If your business has straightforward income and expense tracking, invoicing, and reporting needs, and you value a clean, easy-to-understand interface, Kashoo can indeed free up valuable hours that you can then dedicate to growing your business rather than wrestling with your books. However, for businesses with complex inventory, payroll, or extensive project-based time tracking needs, its time-saving benefits might be more limited, and a more feature-rich solution or integration with specialized tools would be necessary.